Now, one question I get a lot about now is the writing sample, because the writing sample has gone digital. Applicants can type it on the computer. In fact, they have to, and they have up to 1 year to complete it. And I'm guessing that maybe you're more likely to look at it now because it's typed. How are you handling that this year?
Um, so we're still kind of figuring that out. And, I'm of the mindset that you need to be trying to compare apples to apples. And for folks that have taken it, within the last calendar year, some people are going to have a handwritten writing sample that is extremely difficult to read. I mean, I can hardly read the majority of them. I would say like 1 out of every 10 or so, maybe. I can discern some of the writing. It's a horrible, it looks like it's been photocopied 4 times. It's not high quality. And so even though we can read the new digital ones because they're just, they're typewritten, I don't know that we'll start putting a huge amount of emphasis or spending a lot of time on that, because for some people we wouldn't be able to compare that, right? And even, it's not scored, so, it's not affecting the score whether you took it digitally or not, but it is, I don't want to put too much weight on it, given that for some people I wouldn't have that data point. That being said, I don't know exactly how many people in our applicant pool are going to have taken the test recently. And so we'll see, maybe we'll see a lot of digital test takers. And so most of applicants will have a typed statement, or a typed writing sample versus a handwritten one. But at this point, given that it's a fairly recent change, I just think that we probably still won't spend a huge amount of time on those. Again, we kind of check to make sure you actually put a real answer. But as far as kind of really looking at in depth at the content and sort of the substance of your analysis, it's still never going to be, for us anyway, I just don't think it'll be a huge piece because it's hard to compare right now. And I feel like it might disadvantage people who took it in the past when, they wrote by hand and now we can't read it. But I will say people still need to take it seriously. Please take the writing sample seriously. Do it promptly after you take the test. You don't want to blow it off and just assume no one looks at it. But I think right now we're kind of in a transition phase as far as how much that ends up weighing into the overall evaluation.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.